Welcome, Cloudies! Welcome to the stream number 108. I'm Frank Boucher, your host, for the next 2 hours. 2 hours and a half. We'll see. Today it's Friday for me. I don't know when it is for you, but for me it's Friday morning. I'm super excited. I want to learn JavaScript after not doing any JavaScript for, I won't say how many years, but a lot. I want to build a chatbot to have more interaction with you, give you back the power. So we start that thing where we had like a few commands. We could display images or animate GIF, and I want to also add the points so you could spend points and add stuff. And since the game, I'm using the drop game. So on the game, during the stream, at any time, you could do !! drop, and you will just get parachuted into the screen, just like that. And the goal is to try to land on the target, just over there. No, over there, just here. Oh, no, just beside. So when you do, you have a score. So one of the things that will save me time is because right now I'm tracking all the highest score, put that in the stream notes. All the stream notes go on YouTube, not the YouTube, on GitHub. So having this will keep track of the best scores, and yeah, like we're playing with that. So, oh, I have a sound effect. I should have used it.
Previously on Frank's channel.
That's what we did on last stream. And to be exact, on the last stream, let me share my screen here. Let's go full screen. So on the last stream, what we did play with that, and we said, oh, we need to have a Node.js project because we want to save the file. So we had the Node.js project. We have a GitHub page. If I go on GitHub, in my GitHub, we have a CloudBot, I think. Or CloudBot? Forgot the name. CloudBot. So right now, if you are interested to participate, please do it. Everything is in VNext right now because we're building it. So like nothing stable yet. It is there, so I will put that in the chat. It will also be in the description if you're watching in video on demand. So in the description below, down below. So earlier today, I was like, okay, I need to get back. Hey, Fragbird. Good luck. I think you will have it. What a good score. Yeah, awesome. Welcome. How was your week, my friend? Not great. Drop parachute, higher score. How was your week? Done for the day. For the week? No, I think you had good score also last time, right? You didn't land Wednesday? Maybe I didn't see it. Had one of my colleagues show up also last stream and I didn't see him. He told me after, and I was like, oops, I missed it. I missed you. So today, I will ridiculize myself again because I'm doing JavaScript. Yeah. So what I was saying is, I did play a little bit with that. I was like, okay, you know what? I want to put all that content in a blob container. Oh, I should open a new portal. Can I just do this instead? Cool. And stream demo. So I will, you know, do a container. Oops, I should put back this thing. Boom. And I had like a little folder, and I was okay. That's cool. We'll use that, but it won't work because in fact, if I try to do this, like I need a background. I need a server side to do Node. So I was like, oh, then like I need a website. Like there's no problem with that. But then I thought, maybe I could have my bot, like, you know, the Comfyjs bot, just call Azure functions, and now I can do the functions in whatever language I want. You know, kind of a cheater, I know, but so I did mess around a little bit. Where is it? So those are my function, and this is my call. So now if I do AZ and say, let's for example fragbird, now the chatbot is calling an Azure function and return, hello fragbird, this HTTP trigger function was executed successfully. So I thought that could be interesting, though it could be cool to learn JavaScript. It's just I felt that I will depend a lot on reading and on the chat, and I'm not sure it will be very cool, but I would like to learn JavaScript. I think it's good. Oh, Bonjour didn't work. Oh, I know why. I need to start the... Yeah, let me fix that. Fix that. Yeah. Am I still moving? Yes. Where is it? Right now I'm using the Streamlab chatbot. I need to change that, but right now, and until I do everything I want in my bot, I will use that one. But it's part also of the issues I have, where like right now if you do commands, it doesn't work. Boom, and then boom. So now I think if you try, who was trying? So Mr. Iris? Yeah, Mr. Iris, if you try the Bonjour command, it should work now. Or anyone, just try. So welcome to the stream. And why my chat is so little? Oh, because Frank, because you... Yo, Lucky7, how are you? Fragbar, I don't remember, I add up the Robert Herber philosophy. There's are now only 3 days. Yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Not bad. Yeah, kind of like that. I think I've been like that for a while though. I think I didn't know I was adopting this philosophy already. Does the Bonjour work? No, huh? Okay, let's try again. Let's try this. Alright! Hey, Lucky7, thank you for the following. Really appreciate it, dude. Now if I try Bonjour. Bonjour, hi. Okay, now it's working. So it's you need to connect a lot of stuff in the chatbot to make it work. And I will now move it to the other desktop, so I don't have it in my way. Okay, philosophy. Yeah, it's definitely a good one, philosophy, right now. No, it needs to be me right now. I will show you the code I did it. Streamline, like maybe I shouldn't, because the function is open for everyone. Streamlab chatbot isn't bad. Yeah. I think it's just I would like to have less things running, or like, you know, if I add functionality for mine, then I should have like a way to, like, the reason why I start using the Streamlab chatbots was because I wanted to sound trigger by command. That was an easy way to do it, but I'm assuming now if with Comfyjs I will probably be able to do that, though I never try. Maybe I should try to do that. We tried a video when it was working but without sound, or, you know, like it was partially working. GIF animated, it was easy. I know how to do the command with points, but yeah, sound could be a good challenge too. We could try to poke that at one of those Fridays. I don't know. My right hand is hurting today. I don't know why. Yeah, but so I just don't want to have like 33 things open, and I would like to have my chat in the cloud. So like if I'm streaming on a different machine, then, you know, like how I have my setup. Especially if you want to concentrate on other stuff. Yes, it's working. Like right now, it's an excuse to learn JavaScript. I choose on purpose to not learn JavaScript and the modern framework. Let's call them modern framework. Just because there's plenty of cloud advocates that do great content on JavaScript. But to have fun with Twitch, I think JavaScript simplify a lot of things. If you stay in C#, it's a little bit more complex. So I thought, but maybe I'm wrong. Maybe I should try to understand how I could interact with the chat running stuff in JavaScript and C#. Maybe I should. I don't know. So let me show you the function I did. So I did a new comment. So let me then remove this. Now if I do this, now everybody should be able to do the AZ with whatever you want after, and it should show up there. And what I do here is just, I call the function test AZ function. In this function, I call my Azure function passing name, and like it's just a default scaffolded, the default template of an Azure function in C# that I created Wednesday for a project where we try to call from Blazor Azure function using some security, but right now it's not protected yet, so that's why I can call it without specifying anything. So I thought, I could do that, but then it means that in the JavaScript script, the function will be written in clear text, but you won't see it, but it's not very secure. So maybe I should have a web service running. I could just start it when I'm running, or run it locally. Or I thought, it could be cool to have it in the cloud. So that's why I had like a blob, I push everything, but since there's like, if I go and hit this thing, it won't work because there's no Node.js. I need a server side, right, to run Node.js. So that's why it was not working. So this is cool, but I think we won't use that because this is not really secure. What do you think? I think we need to continue here. But if we continue here, I'm not sure how I mix the Node.js part and the Comfyjs part. That's the thing. That's the thing. I don't know how to do it. Can I just do this? No, it needs to start, right? It needs to run. Is it npm run? I forgot what it is. npm or start? I forgot. Start. Oh yeah, it's true. We code those things, but now it's not working. Error at line. What? Thank you for the following, naughty robot. Are you a bot? Are you another Shirley Dev bot? Is it one of yours, Shirley Dev? Welcome to the stream, by the way. No. It's my posters button. Not mine? Okay. It's fine. So I'm struggling right now. I don't know. Oh, like I need to. Okay, let's close this and open a new window. There it is. Absolute specific path. Okay, the path doesn't work. Boom. But yet it was pretty accurate since then. How many bots do we have on the chat? 2, 3? So, you know. How are you finding JavaScript? Hard. It's supposed to be easy, right? It's hard. I don't know what to do. I'm confused. Oh. There's only one of you, Shirley Dev. The others are coming, I'm sure. I'm right behind. Excellent, naughty robot. Well, I did JavaScript back like maybe 15 years ago, so like, but there's a lot that changed since then, and with all the frameworks. So yeah, so there's two things. There's the like index. Right now, I have what I like about index. Like I could drop that file anywhere, and I have a bot that will work. But if I want to save the configuration, not the configuration. If I want to, like, the goal of one of the goal of this chat is to be able to save the score. So when people try the little game drop and they parachute, if they do a score. And by the way, everybody, I would like to bring your attention to this. I should make it even bigger. So, to keep track of that, but to save it from a session to another or things like that, I need to save the score. Except if I just save the score for the day. Though that... we never try, right? If I save the information, if I switch scene, if I keep it. Because just having it for like the session could be cool, I think. And then I don't need to save anything. Do you want them here? You decide, surely. That like I don't need viewers to have viewers. Not it. I'm not in a race for viewer. The only, you know, like at one point I was like, I would like to have more. What's the word in Twitch? Subscriber? No. Yeah, subscriber. You know, when you like you use your app just to have a little bit more emotes. But like I could give away subscription, and you know this way I have. But like at that point, like you know, so I'm fine with it. Yeah. Okay. So you know what? Let's. Okay. So let's then try to catch the score and save it, because I think we start working on that, but I'm not sure if it was working. So let's try to do that. What are you trying to share, Croverus? Did you score something? No. Exactly. Hey, how are you, Kevin? You got a sub, you got... someone brought my... like, I didn't thought about that. Someone told me, well, you know, just give away sub and you will reach out. And I was like, yeah, I could. Like, if it was, like, maybe one missing, I will do that. It's not a question of money, it's just a question of like I want to deserve those things. And like honestly, I have emotes. I have right now I was working with Funkatoons to have some nice design stuff done, and like right now I cannot use a lot of them, so I was like, yeah. But I don't want to cheat. Like, you know, even like on my laptop, when I put the stickers, I feel I put the stickers because I deserve it. So I won't put, like, I have a t-shirt Angular. I love it. It's super comfortable. But I always feel guilty when I wear it because I don't know Angular. I just like the t-shirt. But that's me. That's kind of the stupid rules that I ask myself. Anyway. But yeah, yeah. I think you feel the same way, Kevin, as I do. Holding yourself to a code. Yep. Yep, I'm old school on that thing. Okay, so let's do this. So we'll try to catch the score, save it for the session, and one thing I want to check is if I switch scenes in Streamlab, do we keep the thing up, or you know I lose everything? So if we lose things, we might need to save it because otherwise. So let's make that a little bit bigger. Is it big enough for you? I'm assuming you're all very young and you can read everything, right? It's only me. I'm the oldest. So I think we add that. No, I was. So if. So if I do score. Right now it was all the messages. Okay, so if I go and then switch scenes, so now I'm in a different scenes. Oh yeah, but it's not in there. Yeah, this thing didn't change right now, right? So of course. So I could, if I upload it, yeah, let's do that. I will upload it. Replace. I will load this thing inside my real Streamlabs. So let's get the URL of this one. Copy URL. I will add now a new thing on this scenes and the other one. So source, browser source, add source, create a new one. So right now I'm just creating a new source in OBS. Put this, boom, and it's 1920 by 18 1880 1080. Okay, and now if I do done, I have it. So now if we try to do something like hello, we don't see anything, are we? If I do cloud test, we see anything? Damn, it's too little. I don't see in my creative projector. What was the command we created? It was Cloud should put a big GIF, animated GIF. So it definitely doesn't work. Oh, but the image is broken? Oh, here it's broken. Okay. Smiling cloud GIF. Oh, is it maybe I need to change the I didn't bring it. It's not there. That's why. Oh yeah, because it was the other one. Oh, that's why it's not. But the text should show up. So what was the text command to put big text? If I do test, but all the chat should show up and it doesn't, right? That doesn't work. But this work here, but I don't. Oh yeah, there's a hello, right? Okay, so it's working. It's just bad thing. So it is working. Cool. Did I miss something in the chat? I was really kind of focused. Oh, Freda, you did a score. Oh, the game look not very friendly today. Nobody's winning. Nobody's winning. Only Fragbird. You got it, buddy. Okay, so we have the chatbot. So let's paste it in the... If I switch scenes, let's test. I'm sorry for those who are flying right now, or just trying to see if I keep you flying. Yes, okay. That's nice. Now if I do this, and I add a browser source, and I pick the CloudBot test. If I do scores, what's wrong? What was score? Did I do the typo? Scores. Score. Why didn't it work anywhere? I don't understand. I don't understand. Oh, I have errors? Okay. Okay, so here I'm tracking all your message. but it doesn't show up. Let's put some if I do this, and let's put a light color. Whoop. Let's put something we can still see, maybe a cadet blue. So can we see the cadet blue here? Yes. But now this thing, I need to push it. Since I upload the code, I need to upload it here. Replace. But how it's refresh in there? I need to switch scenes so it refresh. If I go here now, if I do again test, still black, right? Now I see nothing. No, it's still black. I could use a local file. That could simplify a little bit the debugging. Like I should be able to see the Bonjour, but it doesn't show up. So let's change it for local file then. Let's change it for a local file and see if we can work with that. So properties, local file, and boom. Okay. Okay, and now if I go to this scene, is it cool? So now if we try, I don't see anything. It was dev. GitHub. Was it GitHub? Or maybe it was GitHub. Cloudbot Learning. Yeah. Let's here. And let's try also to do one more thing. So if I go in sounds, let's try to do this thing. Okay. Oh, Freda, better score. Undefined process landed. That's a cool name. And Freda, better score. That's one. See? One of mine. Let's change that. So now if here I do this, I need to do something like media. No, I need to do ... Is it ... No, I'm in sources, so it's media and then the file. Oops. Media slash... I'm having issues typing today. Right, so if I do this, and now we try cloud. All right. Hey, thank you for the following, Piot 87. You walked into the others. Yeah, sure, it's because of me. Shut down the source when not visible. Oh. Peter! Welcome, Peter! Welcome to the chat. So let's try again. Yeah! Cool. So now if I do score, do I see anything? That still doesn't work. Hello everybody, I'm here. This should be my thumbnail. Yeah, I need to have a command to remove those things. Now I'm screwed. Just like, yeah, I need a command to say, hey, clean up. Let's do that right now. What's the other? It's I have last message. And trace. I like the cloud. I like it too, Peter. But the cloud I would like to add is the same cloud that, you know, like my goal is to give you the opportunity to kind of troll me and add more cloud. You know, when you do drops, those cloud, like, you know, still there. But if there's a lot, then like it will be harder to see for me. But right now I don't even know how to put them in my screen. Right now, like it's only in your screen. I need to find those things, but you know, right, we're just getting started now, so learning. Also, I think I should have like functions that do things. It will be easier, right? Because right now, like this just becoming like super messy. So maybe I should have something like a function. How would you like? Should I create a new file, kind of, or? It would be nice to have clouds just passing by with their username as more people subscribe. Follow or subscribe? Because the goal is, you know, when you do this, those clouds, I want them all the time. And you could add more, you could remove them, like spending point, you could be like Superman, so like you have like flying around or things like that. But if you're interested to add more feature, please do just create an issue in this project here. And like if you create an issue here, you know what, I didn't even start my Gitkraken board today. So this is all the thing we want to create. Whoops. If I go board and I do, that's one for the easy. We create a board for, yeah, it's true, with the big board, the big robot. So like all those features, we want to do them. But go, please, Peter, go on GitHub, ask a feature. I love it. We'll code it. Otherwise, I may forget, because you know, from time to time I'm context switching. I land, and I think I have the lowest score. So look like I will be in my own notes. Cool. Super happy, Peter. Thanks for doing it. Otherwise, it's only Shirley Dev. And I need to add you also, Shirley Dev. In this project, I didn't yet add all contributor, so I should have a section added soon. Okay, so yeah, so should I do something like, let's say, clean equal function, and then how do you structure your code in JavaScript? Should I do something like this? Not minus, equal. So here I just do clean. Oh, no problem. I was just saying that I was mentioning, I was showing to Peter our GitHub repo with the issue you created, and I was telling you that I will add you as a contributor. I didn't have the time to add the application all contributor. There it is. Code by mistake. Welcome to the chat. Welcome to the scores. I really need to save your scores, guys. Peter's just scored 2. Sure do, sure, Dev. I will be very happy to have you contributing to the code. Seriously. Okay, let's I know, well, like, you're so full of ideas though, you know? Okay, so let's just clean up a little bit that thing here, and we'll just put a bunch of function. I think it will be a little bit easier. So we had a function called this and this. So here will be test. here will be cloud. I think we should move that in another file, maybe like a library like cloudbud.js or something. I'm not sure. I would, like, I don't know. How do you structure your code in JavaScript today? So tests should go. I'll remove this and boom, and I need the message. So if tests, then run the function test and pass message. If cloud, then pass nothing. AZ, it's already there. And now scores. Now I have a variable, I think, scores, right? Yeah. Not a problem. Not a problem. Okay, so I did some cleanup. So now, like, our commands is way shorter, right? Hey, road dev, round dev, round dev, round dev. How do you pronounce that? Round dev? How many times can I say round dev in a few seconds? How to pronounce. I was just wondering if it's rondev or round, but I think you, like, to be round you need to have a U, right? So it's rondev. Rondev, I don't know. But then I say it really like with a French accent. For the console log, though, don't you integrate the user it was from? I guess you could say that's French. Cool. What do you mean? Like, oh, like the log is just a way for me to make sure, like, something happened. I don't think it's really important. I think at one point I will remove that or put everything in comment. Though right now I would like, so on chat here, I would like to have a way to just let's say keep your last message. that's a thing I don't know. I don't do right now, because if I do now score, though, I don't know how to do that. Like if I do this and come back, did they refresh? If I do score now, oh yeah, okay, so we see stuff. Yeah, exactly, Randev. I'm with you on that. Okay, so now we have stuff. Okay, so let's work on a function where, like, when you write something, I need to search in the array, and if I found it, then I replace, and I just keep track of your last message for now. So before pushing, I should just check. I don't know to do that. So it won't be push, it will be like update the value of that. So it will be a function, let's say do I need to put some breakpoint? What's missing? Hey, thank you for the following, Fernando Vilfijo. Welcome to the chat. We're learning JavaScript here, having fun, or trying to not look too stupid. Hey, Dota Attitude. Oh, here? No. Why? It's complaining. Declaration or statement expected. Oh. There it is. Okay. So I think, so now when I do the score, see on the top here, it shows kind of a history of the chat. And like it worked how we wrote it, right? So every time you write something, so it's on chat get executed, and I just push the thing. Oh, search by user. So now I need to keep track of only your last message, let's say. So I already have a function, search by user. Oh, there it is. Oh, it's because I return it instead of applying it. So instead of returning I should return I, right? So that's the position. And in here, I have the current score. If it doesn't exist, I do current score I last message. Will it work? And if I do score now, it didn't work. Syntax error. Expected end of input. So here I could say if my function is a function in a function. My search is just a function. Why would that be a problem? Like, I know this is a function. But my function here are hey, from Brazil. Oh, nice to meet you, Fernando. That's cool. Thank you. Really appreciate it. I can't, but definitely... It can't, but definitely wouldn't be returning a function, not actual result of the call. Oh, Shirley Dev, what you want to know in Québécois, sir? What should I translate in Québécois? Oh, the search. You're right. Why have we did that like this? Could I have done just like, I'm not sure why I did that like this. Could I do just this? I think we'll need more lugs. Here. I really like having Sheridan in chat in my stream. It contributes really great ideas in my project. Okay. I need to So you want me to go real full slang, right? Shirley Dev? Not just French, like really full slang. It's not even what I like when I'm speaking to like my family. I don't speak like that. I speak a little bit more French for France. So I would say full slang, okay. So this part, I really like having Shirley Dev in the chat in my stream would be j'aime bien avoir Shirley Dev dans le chat quand je stream. Il contribue vraiment avec ses super idées pour mes projets. Et si je le dis tout d'un coup, no, so if I say everything in once, so you could clip that Shirley Dev, right? Full slang, request by Shirley Dev. I'm translating in Québécois. I really like having Shirley Dev in the chat in my stream. He contributes really great ideas to my projects. J'aime bien avoir Shirley Dev in the chat pendant que je stream. Il contribue vraiment par ses fantastiques idées pour mes projets. There it is. Full slang it is. I hope you clipped that. Okay, so now we did that. Ha ha ha. Now let's try to do a score. Unexpected output. What? Oh yeah, it's not, yeah, it's scorekeeper. I still have an error. A tip, you try to use map to iterate an array is more clean. Map. Doesn't know scorekeeper. Oh, it doesn't know. I don't care. You don't. Map JavaScript. Oh, that's cool. Map create a method. Map method create a new array populated with the result. Yeah, but I don't want that. I'm not sure. I just want to update. Right now, what I would like is to find the user and change the last message. The last message. Yeah, so now I should try to see if clean work. We didn't, so can I just switch scene? Nah, so it doesn't refresh. I need to go here and then refresh. Can I? But I don't understand. So right now I have like a little squibbly here, right? Say expecting a closing curly brackets. I'm assuming it's I messed up something here, but I'm not sure. Maybe it was in the somewhere here. J'aime bien avoir Shirley Dev in the chat pendant que je stream. Il contribue vraiment par ses fantastiques idées pour mes projets. I love it. J'aime bien avoir Shirley Dev in the chat pendant que je stream. Il contribue vraiment par ses... Il contribue vraiment. Oh my god. Okay, so now, well, like, where did I screw up? Oh, so here, that one is right. That's for this, but I need another one. I need to close this one, right? Yeah, so I think that's the one missing. Should be something like that. Like that, it's all. Now it's not complaining anymore. Okay, so maybe I fixed it. Save change. Okay, let's try it. This console, source element, console, right? If I want to see the now, if I do test, oh, I don't see anything. Array for each anonymous. On line 32. My array. Why it's my array? It should be scorekeeper, right? Whoop. Yeah. I missed a few scores, I think, right? Shirley Dev. Is it the first time you land Shirley Dev? Oh, I think you just beat me for the lowest one, Peter. No, that was Mr. Isros. Is it your best too? That's not the... That's lowest best. I would be worried if I was you. I have stuff in my face. What's the stuff in my face? Oh, did I move the pixel? No. I don't know. 81? And I didn't see it? Did I miss your... Yeah, if you have a high score, let me know. It's possible I missed it. Let me check. I don't see it. Oh, you're right. You are right, mister. But you're still the lowest. You're, you know, being there twice. Okay, so now we fixed that. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. So refresh the page, do a test, and boom, right away. Index 136. -1. Scores, oh yeah, because score doesn't exist. Score keeper. Position 0, score, current score 0, and now I is not defined. Yeah, why I said high? Because you return high. So I should say, instead of this, I should say user location. Position. Code by mistake. Yep. Better score. It's cool. Line 150 of your log. Why? I have you. Okay, so user location or position? Position, I think. User I. User pause. So now I do this, then I do this, and this, and I do this. Now refresh, and now it should be 8235. What did I put? Well, I see 50. Why do you say 82? Was it 82 before? No. Oh yeah, 8235. You are right again. Okay, so look in my log. So I do yes, and then I fail. Oh. Should stop doing that. So, user pause. What was the error? Oh, because I didn't refresh, maybe? Okay, and then current score. Where do you see current score? Oh, there. No, it must be scorekeeper now. Yeah, I thought, cool. Okay. Found in position 1. Now if I do score, cool. Okay, let's keep track of the chat. So, drop, Shirley Dev, 72. Shirley Dev. That's better. Right? And then drop. So, unprocess. Yeah, that's also better. Fragbird really want to be part of every bits possible today. You could host me also if you want, and like you give your name will be like 20 times in my logs, in my show notes. I think you're right, Shirley Dev. Yeah, right now you are with 83. Really close is Code by Mistake and then Mr. Iras. But you are the highest and the lowest. And then what you will be doing? I could just stop keeping tracks of all your score also, but no, it's fun. I think it's part of the deal, right? That's why we want to make progress on the bot, because we need it to work. But now, like, see, like, now it remembers. Cool. So now what we can do is to keep track of the score is really simple. Here I have the last message. And now I could add a new property to my user, to my score, will be the score itself. Or maybe highest score. I feel like I didn't write it. IG. What? I don't know how to write highest. There it is. IS. Okay. IS score. And lowest. Oh, with a new coming, so the union right. Well, I don't know. How do you Uno original jerk? Well, I'm not sure I should say your name loud. Yeah, the unoriginal jerk. Okay. Well. You still have a little bit of time to, you have about an hour to get better, Fragbird. There's, it's only 86. There's plenty of space to get higher scores. Just saying. So now that we have this, I think so now what we need to do here is check if the user is the flag is broadcaster, right? Frankberg only goes downhill. Okay, so here and then. So what's the message? The message is something. So I will need to do some split. So here I should say create a function when right, and here we should say I have something in my clipboard also. What's in my clipboard? What's an example? Okay, cool. So let's create a new function. Right, and we are receiving message. So we should do something like isn't it the function kind of split? And let's say you say by, yeah. Something like that. And now I could check if oh, it's not var, it's let, right? So now I could check if, let's do our if split message position, oh, like, you know, first let's check if I have some, like, must be greater than 1. And if I do that, then if split message, no, if this part, this dot, did I lost my message? I did lost my example, right? So here that will be 0, and then that will be 1. So if this Then it's triple equal, but I'm not sure why. And that will be something like this. Oops. So if I have a message and the word land is positioned here, then I could say oh, I should have the position too, right? I should have a console log just in case. So let's do that. If blah 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 blah. Let's do because I think so here that's 0, 1, 2, 3. I think we'll need to remove the exclamation point, right? And can you do something like JavaScript? I'm sorry, I'm missing the chat now. Oh, okay. Thanks, Mr. Iros. You're my JavaScript guy today. Excellent. Thank you. I'm assuming you're Mr. because of your name. If you're not, let me know. Or if you don't want me to call you sir. JavaScript. String. Can I do substring? Could I do just like kind of -1? If start is greater than n, this method swap the two arguments. What? Or can I trim instead? I just want to cut the last character. Oh, trim last character. Is it trim or substring or... Oh, I don't want to do that. Slice -1. Cool, that's what I want. Drop, 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 drop. This is me reading the chat. Drop, 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 drop. Okay, so now we have it. So we have this. So looking for the I score. That would be interesting. Maybe I should add something here. Just to show up the message, maybe. And maybe the position. And now I need to go back down below here, and we need to pass those information. So it was the message and the current position, like that. Feeling good. Okay, so let's refresh. So let's refresh this. Syntax error token. Oh no, I'm that good. Oh, here? No. Line 27. 27? Oh. Yep. Oh, yeah, because the first time I create that, it's here, right? When I say new. Yeah. Oh. Let's put 0 when I create. Okay, line 27. Thank you. You're all watching me. This is cool. I love coding with you guys. It's awesome. Folks, cloudies. Shouldn't say guys all the time. Let's do test. Cool. You know, if I say bonjour, that's great. And now if I say this, cool. We're getting closer. We're getting closer. So here, so now what I need to do is save it, right? So I could do scorekeeper, where I am. Yeah. So now not sure why I had those things, but I don't need them anymore. Boom, boom, boom. Voila. So where it was here. So now I need to do is scorekeeper position. I have the position is user position this, and then I do highest score, right? And I just do this, and voila. Isn't it beautiful? We have our scorekeeper. Now you just need to land, guys. I will be waiting. We should test it a little bit more, right? Oh, that's cool. It matched the perfect line between the... Oh, I need to refresh. But we can fake it though. Since the bot is using, like the game is using my account, I could fake some message. Cool. We have a score. Ah, I score undefined. high score. Whoop whoop. Grover, like that's cool. Grover Zerus, bye. That's a high score. My God. Fred the Cat, I think you did better. Yep, that's cool. Yeah, Streamlabs. We know. They're busy now. Don't put it. Okay, so we had an error. Highest score undefined. Highest score undefined. Should exist. It's there. So when you type something, oh yeah, because you were never created. So highest score 103. Yeah. What was the current position? -1. Yeah. Doesn't exist yet because I didn't create you. So we need to find that. So we need to have a check. If you don't exist, then I need to create you, right? So I need to create the user, because here I was just keeping track of the message. So now I need to create a user. Okay, let's create a little function. Let's say create user, add user, add user, add user. Add user to scorekeeper. Can I make a longer name? Yes, I'm sure. And that will be something like this, right? But if I do that, I don't know the position. Yeah, I don't have that. I need to search it. And it's in my 0, I need the position. Okay. Yeah, so that logic here, where it was. Check for I score. So I split the message, right? And then now I need the user position. So I search this user. Let's create a let. So let will be user will be the yeah. I think it will be clear. This will be 0, right? And in fact, we should do let and then score or current score. Current score will be equal to this thing. So now here, whoops. That's better. So here instead we'll be able to say, hey, you know what? The highest score to get a current score. That will be much better. And now we have the user here. So here we could say, okay, search for the user. That's the user position. Now we have the user position. If the user position is greater than 0, then now we need to make our logic. No. Yes. No. I need to check first. Oh, damn it. Oh yeah, I should split it outside and pass the parameter. That would be much cleaner. You know, like if instead I receive like user and score. Yeah, check for I score should be user and current score. Right? So I don't need to define them. I should have something that could I have a function say parse message? Yeah, I was wondering like should I have like parse message if, because maybe at one point we'll have more, but let's call just now parse message. But parse message, then let's do it parse message for now, and we'll fix that later. So that's a function. It received a message, right? And here I'm missing something like a function, right? So now this thing here, I split the message. Right? And now if this then we call this guy. And we pass the user that now we have and the user score. Yeah, I think it's good, right? I think you're missing an equal at line 102. Yeah, I'm probably, I'm not done here. But you're right. Thank you. So here, now I have a user, so I check for the user. If I have a user, then I will need to update the score. So it will be like this. And if not, then I need to create the user with the current score. Just like that. User, message. I don't have the message though. We'll put empty string. And yeah. Hey DBD, how are you? I think we're getting closer to have something that works here. So let's fake some score. So we'll do here 15 and a fail. User pause not defined 169. Oh yeah, because now it's I'm just parsing the message, right? Now we're having fun. We're having fun. I need to refresh this. We're trying to have a scorekeeper for the best shot of this tool. The game, I mean. Cool. And now if I try again, let's say you have 25 this time. It did find you. So now if I do score, oh, I keep my last message. Whatever. Okay. We need to rewrite the score, but I'm assuming I can see the variables here, right? Can I see the variables? How can I'm assuming if I do something like scorekeeper here, scorekeeper, if I just do this, will it show up? Yeah. Cool, I have the last score. It's working.
Yay!
Code behind, I think you did better than, yeah, 82. Whoa, that's Shirley Dev. That looked like a good score. $85. That's pretty good. But now the problem is if I do refresh, we'll lose it. That's your first score. Congrats. You landed. The problem now is score is not showing the scores. Should show instead the score, the highest score. And we should keep track of the highest. Oh, it's so sad now. If I refresh, I will lose all your stuff. I could just replay the message, right? Let's do that. Let's try that. So if I do this, then I lost everything. Quick question. Did made up the concept and design your own? Oh, that game you mean? No. That was done by Instafluff. It's Pixel Plus. Pixel Plush. Plush. If Pixel. Yeah. Instafluff is a streamer. It's an awesome streamer. And he did a bunch of games, and I just like so much this game, so I'm using Pixel Parachute Night, and it's an overlay that I added, and now I'm building a bot to keep score of the stuff, and at the same time it's a an excuse to learn JavaScript and mess around with those things because I don't know JavaScript. So, yep. So, we did refresh, right? So I don't need this thing. Or is it this thing? Oh. So I did. That's very cool. So now if I replay your score, let's say Shirley Dev. And let's say I had this one. And let's say if I had something lower. And now if I do score. Oh, though, code by mistake, you did keep your last, right? Yeah, because I don't validate if it's the highest. I think I just, if you got a new score, just overwrite. Oh, code by mistake to the one you did better. Okay, cool. So now what we need to do though is like right now is just. So where is it? Here. So check for high score. Like if I found you, I just upload the score. So now I need to check if your score is higher than like. So if the if this is smaller than current score, do you think? Right? Come on, just move. There it is. Isn't it beautiful? So right now, if I do this, and let's say code by mistake, oh, let's say you got 30, and now let's put your real high score, code by mistake. It was 82, so let's do this. I didn't refresh though, did I? I forgot to refresh. Dang it. Refresh. Let's start over. So 30. And now let's do 82. And now let's do a super low, so 2. Now if I do scores, why? It kept the last one. I did refresh. Oh, maybe I didn't save. How do you write high score? Is it high score? It's not one word? I'm assuming yes. If usually I think InstaFluff is streaming, so we should rate him. So if you stay with us until the end of the stream, in about 30 minutes ish, a little bit less than 30 minutes, we'll rate him. So you could ask him and see the master himself. The graphic was done by Maya, who's another streamer, really like very talented artist. High score, like why doesn't want high score as a one word? What I'm doing wrong, guys? Yeah, high scores. Oh, it's two word. High score could be one word. It is possible. It is possible. It is possible. I'm pretty sure it's all JavaScript. H1 was what? H1 was FB trace. So we could do so here the message could be why cannot write that word highest? Too lazy to Google it. By the way, typo line 132. Is it better now? So now we want to pass the user and the score. So here we want to do like this, and we want to pass the user, and we want to pass the current score. Now we save, and we refresh, and now I could do something like Fragbird. Let's do with Fragbird. So Fragbird got 83, and he also did, let's say, 3. Oh, the first time though we didn't have the party time because it was your first. That's fine. So like now if I do scores with an exclamation point, show me your high score, not your lowest. And let's say now I do Fragbird and you got 93. Should have like the party triggered. So let's go here and refresh the page. This is awesome. And now if I switch scene, if I go here and I do score, if I do, let's say, clean, now I do scores, remember your higher score. So look like the file is not refreshed. So that's pretty cool. So I mean, I will be able to switch. This is awesome. This is party, guys. Yay!
Yay!
But now I should put the... now there's a problem. Because it thinks that... let's refresh though, because... like you, Fragbird, but you cannot have 93. No, it was just a fake. So the problem right now is I would need to play all those things. If I could, you know, if I just do this, if I play all your scores, boom, boom, and now we will be able to have like a function also for the highest score. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Now it's insta-fluff. So you just need to land on stuff, people. Oh man, we did something. I'm pretty happy. This is cool. I mean, you know, we can refine it and everything. Like, I think we should have some... But that's cool. So now you could play around and then like I do score, we'll have the best one. We'll like, you know, we'll need to clean that up though. Like, it's not clean. I'm assuming there's some best practices here that, you know. Yeah, right now it will be just by session though. Code with Sean, yeah. 97 the other day. It was pretty cool. Pretty cool one. Yeah, so maybe sort of running some unit tests, like differently work on the UI stuff. But I'm really happy with that. Like, it's working. I did the function, also cheating with the function. I should remove the URL of my function here. That's pretty cool. Sean Connery. Yeah. I read scene for a few seconds. That's why you're helping me code with Sean. I'm always like, every time I read Sean, I read scene and then I say, oh no, I must say it Sean. Like, it's not only you, it's like in life. I'm like that. Okay, well, I'm super happy. Okay, like just before I push stuff, that's pretty. Oh, we didn't have the. You should use Teams. You should use Teams. We didn't have the time to try to play sounds though. Is it easy to play sound in JavaScript? JavaScript. Play. Was it an MP3? MP3. Play MP3. But now you all need to beat your I score. That's the thing though. It won't be party. Code with Sean. Well, since it's your first one, it doesn't count, but that's easily. This is hard. Easily beatable. Oh. Freda the cat. Oh yeah, no, I had better before. Oh yeah, that's what I did. So in fact, you should have the message on top of the screen plus the big cloud, smiley cloud would show up. Look here in the code. So when you have the, like, you know, like this is when you have a condition of the I score. So when you just beat yourself, I do I score, and an I score, I say, hey, you know, this person just beat his I score, and I push the cloud. Cool. So I think we'll push that. I won't push this thing though. So cool. So we have a bot. So yeah, we're able to save. This is cool. This is awesome. Okay. Is it a very useful message? No. Is it fun? Hell yeah. Oh, I need... Yeah, perfect. Have a few drops. I will do a screenshot, and that will be an image I will put there to explain what the bot is doing. So a bunch of people just drop. We'll do a screenshot. Or maybe I should wait and ask again so you can all drop together. Create. Oh, okay, there it is. disappear. We'll do that, and we'll do a screen capture. So now let's push it. Okay, bunch of people just drop. I want a full parachute in the screen. We'll do a screenshot. I look super serious, but whatever. I look like maybe I should hide myself. We'll do something like oh man. Oh, let's do that. So save. It's funny. So this, and now let's go boom boom boom. So here in the CloudBot, I want a new folder called Media. Put this picture there. I will need to save that for later. So now let's go see if we have InstaFluff. Ah, it doesn't look online. Is he? Yeah, he is. No, he's not. Just chatting. Oh, he's probably just getting started. Is he? Does InstaFluff is online? I want to rate him to tell him we did the bot. Is he online?
A chatbot, a Twitch chatbot, and
yeah, he is. Cool. We're rating InstaFluff. That would be awesome. That would be awesome. Let him know we have the bot, and we now have Scorekeeper on his game. That would be awesome. Cool. So, super happy, Claudius, to have you with me today. It was awesome, really fun. I'm glad I never thought I would be able to create a bot that easily. Three shot, and we have something functional. Really happy. Big thank you for all your help, because it wouldn't be possible without you. So big thanks. The project is on GitHub, so feel free to branch, add functionality. I will be super happy. That will be cool. We'll have some fun. Make new functionality when it's the highest score of the session. If you want to create some files to save from session to another, do that. Do PRs. It will be fun. We'll look at it in the next stream. Wish you a good weekend. Have time for you. Go outside and have some fun. We'll go raid Mr. InstaFluff. Bye-bye.